Shalom, welcome to this video. So, in this particular video, we will be looking at the revenue and the payouts. All right. So, what we will be covering in this video is how to make sure you get your money. Okay. When people place orders on your store, how do you get your money? Where is the money that the orders is being placed going to be sent to? How is the money being taken and how is it going to be sent to you? How do you ensure that your money reaches you? Okay, so that is what we would be covering in this video. All right, so for those who are new and that has chanced upon this video on YouTube, this is GHMart, all right, a platform which enables Ghanaian vendors who have Ghanaians who have online businesses to sign up, and then when they sign up, they can create their own online store. Okay, so this is an example of the online store that we built. Okay, they can create their own online store that looks beautifully exactly like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is a beautiful online store, and it would go a very long way to help your business. All right. Okay, so let's go back to what we are doing. All right, so first of all, where will the money be sent to? Now, where the money will be sent to is set up in the account. So what you do is that you have to ensure that you set the right payment method. So you tap on these three lines over here, then you go to my account. All right, so you go to the my account page, and then you scroll down to the payout settings page over here. Okay, you scroll down to this page. So now what you are supposed to do first of all is that you are supposed to make sure that this is active. If it is not active, then it's probably because you have not filled in this page over here. So yes, this page is where you set up your payments details so that the money will be sent to you or on those payments details. So when you set up these payments details, what happens now is that the money will be sent to those payment details. And if at any point in time you want to change your payment details, it is on this particular page that you would also do that. All right, so now let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard. So what page? Okay, so now regarding your revenue and your payouts, okay, you can see that over here. Okay, your revenue and your payout, so you can filter them. All time is the amount of money you've made from the plats from your store since you joined. Okay, and then 28 days will show you how much you've made in the last 28 days. This will show you how much you've made in the last 7 days, and this will show you how much you've made today. All right, so now if you want to know when your money would be arriving, you can tap on the view payouts. Okay, so when you tap on the view payouts, it will take you to the payout page. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is what the pending settlement. All right, this is the pending settlement, and it will also give you the estimated date that it would be paid into your account. So now this is how it works. Okay, for the payment method, currently the platform uses Paystack. Okay, the platform uses Paystack. So when customers make payments on your platform, okay, the money goes to Paystack. Now what happens is that Paystack will now send the money to you on the next business day. Okay, on the next business day. So if there is a holiday hidden somewhere or whichever way it is, the next business day is when Paystack will send the money to you. And then again, since Paystack is based in Nigeria, I've been using we've been using Paystack for a very long time now, and we made sure that we use a payment platform that to ensure that you get your money. So you wouldn't have to worry about whether your money is going to be held or whatever it is. Okay. So like I was saying, yes. So since it's a Nigerian based company, 6th March, which is an Independence Day for Ghana, is not a holiday for them. So tomorrow, yes, so tomorrow, this earnings would be deposited into my account. Okay, and then all of the previous payouts, you would see it over here. Okay, all of the previous payouts will be listed over here too for you. All right, so now let's go back. Okay, so now that's basically it. So when you start making revenue when you start making sales from your online store on GHMart, okay, this is how the money is going to reach you. Okay, this is how you can ensure that the money goes to the account that you want it to go to. All right, yes, so that's basically it. Thank you for staying through this video. Okay, in the next video we'll be looking at managing the reviews, the store rating, replying of reviews, how to share reviews to get more customers, and various others. All right, thank you for staying throughout this tutorial video. If this is your first time on our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel for us, like this video, and then we would be looking forward to seeing you in our next video as a subscriber. Shalom.